It's just so unfair and unjust for someone as good as him to be sick. My second was sadness. He's got little babies at home.
A beloved local doctor fighting for his life after getting COVID-19. Good evening, I'm Lauren Motter.
I'm Brian Mudd. You know, Dr. Juan Fitz is among 63 people who are in intensive care right now in Lubbock County. There are a total of 184 people who are hospitalized here tonight. Sadly, 4 more people died today from complications of coronavirus. 243 more people tested positive.
Dr. Fitz, among the many healthcare workers who are battling the virus right now. He's been with Covenant for more than 34 years. And our Laura Lawhead joins us now with an update on how he's doing and what he means to our community.
Yeah, Lauren, Brian, Dr. Fitz's friends, co-workers, and patients all say the same thing. He's one of the most compassionate people you'll ever meet, dedicated to his job and dedicated to caring for those around him. The esteemed doctor and Army veteran is now on a ventilator, and folks close to him say he's had some improvements, but he's still in very serious condition.
He's the kind of guy you'd really want to be your colleague and friend.
A great doctor and an even better person. That's what everyone who knows Dr. Juan Fitz will tell you. The Army veteran and a longtime physician who saved so many lives is now in the ICU himself, fighting for his own.
Quite a few emotions, I think maybe simultaneously or all at once. My first was anger. It's just so unfair and unjust for someone as good as him to be sick. My second was sadness. He's got little babies at home.
Sturgeon says he's the type of doctor medical students aspire to be.
He's the best kind. He's not the kind of ER doctor who would judge you for sending in a patient that you just wanted checked out.
To family nurse practitioner Michelle Carlisle, Dr. Fitz isn't just an advocate for his patients, but also his nurses and the entire medical staff.
We're just all heartbroken. He was just a physician that if you were a patient sitting in that ER bed, you'd want to walk in your room and say, "Hi, I'm Dr. Fitz. I'm going to be your doctor today in the emergency room. What's going on with you?"
We caught up with his grade school friend from El Paso, who says even back then, he was always going above and beyond to help others.
We have always had a wonderful relationship. We've always been able to talk about, reminisce very well, talk about the good life. We've been very blessed. I believe that he will, I believe that he will recover, and I believe in the power of prayer.
The KMAC News team has done many stories with Dr. Fitz over the years, and right now our thoughts and our prayers are with him and his family.